Friends, another incident of digital piracy was reported. Of course, this was taken to the notice of the Honorable Delhi High Court by the management of the daily magazine Dainik Jagaran. Dainik Jagaran is a very popular Hindi newspaper in North India. Right. So they have given a complaint against the app Telegram. This app is Telegram. Of course, this app it is actually being run by a Dubai-based company. So the allegation or the averments of the petition filed by the management of Dainik Jagaran against the Telegram app is that this app is allowing the users to run channels as they like and to spread the information as they like. This app is making certain individuals to run channels just like YouTube channels. Now, the High Court asked the app, that is Telegram app owners or runners, to disclose the identity of the subscribers or identity of the users who are running the channels on its platform. Why? Because they are running the channels and they are illegally sharing the e-paper version of Dainik Jagaran on daily basis. So now the link has been, of course, the link has to be definitely the link will be disclosed. I am sure already such case has been reported in Andhra Pradesh. I will tell you. Now, according to the Telegram, of course, it is a Dubai-based company. They are running the app just like our WhatsApp, and it has become popular also. So many people are using this app also. They are sharing information. For that matter, it is good. But what happened is some people are running channels through this app, and they are distributing the e-papers in the PDF form. That means I will tell you how it happens. Suppose normally if you want to see the e-paper, Hindu, all these people, they have started publishing the so-called e-journals also, e-papers also. If you pay a monthly subscription of 100 rupees or so, you can see the daily newspaper on the screen of your mobile phone or computer, that is e-paper. Of course, if you want to purchase the same in the local market, that is print, then it takes 5 rupees or so. So normally we used to study these papers. But the channel people, what they have done is, so instead of spending such a huge amount, better you spend 50 rupees per month, become a subscriber by paying 50 rupees per month, and you will be accessed through so-called to see the e-paper version of Dainik Jagaran and some other papers also. Might have been like that. But anyway, so they are collecting money, they are converting the PDF form into JPG, and these people are able to see the e-paper. Instead of spending 100 rupees per month, 50 rupees enough, 50 rupees profit we are getting. So this channel people, they are taking away the so-called other amount. Of course, if you count the numbers, definitely the plunder will be many. That's why in section 224 of the Indian Penal Code will tell you, this is dishonestly. Dishonestly means making a wrongful gain and causing wrongful loss to the real owner. That's why, so in Tirupati, Mr. Ratnakar, and he is Mr. Ratnakar of the local Enadu unit, he reported the case in Aliperi police station. A case was registered under section 43B and also 43 and also section 63 of the Copyright Act. And also they have added 52A of the Copyright Amendment also. They have added, of course, these people, they were taken into custody and the case has been registered. It is being charged also. Now here, once again, I am mixing this Telegram app. So Now the matter has gone to the High Court. The Honorable Delhi High Court directed to take down the channels to note down the channels which are indulging in the copyright infringement. Just now I told you copyright, because this intellectual property, digital piracy, otherwise called piracy. Piracy means copying one's act. So one's paper, if you copy the same, then it is called digital piracy, right? So within 48 hours, the runners of the app Telegram, they have to give the details of all the users who are running the channels, because this channel, according to Dainik Jagaran management, has allowed its users to create various channels and also without disclosing their identity. Normally, if they disclose the identity, suppose I have got a YouTube channel, this channel, and I have to give all the details once in 6 months to the Google company. Without identity, then it's a difficult thing. Some of the users created the channels on which e-papers are being uploaded in PDF format on a daily basis. Of course, nothing but a wrongful gain to them and wrongful loss to the company, right? So that's why the management of Dainik Jagaran, they alleged that the Telegram app is not only permitting the availability of the content of Dainik Jagaran to the users, not only this but also to the previous editions also. That means at the click of a button, they can get to access the previous editions, particular date they want, definitely they can get it, right? Now, Dainik Jagaran says that this e-paper facility is only for their subscribers or for their daily users, and definitely this is the infringement. Definitely copyrighting this infringement is causing serious financial loss also, and it is violating the trademarks, of course, they booked as well as the copyright of the e-newspapers. Now you have to remember the sections. Section 63 of the Copyright Act. Whoever infringes the copyright, normally previously copyrights were used in music, literary art, films, all these things. Now it has come to, of course, it is also just like films, they are being exhibited, electronic media. So section 63 of the Copyright Act, and you have to remember about section 43B of the Information Technology Act also. So of course it's a very simple section, because section 43 tells only about the compensation, not the punishment. No punishment is there. So if anybody without the permission of the authorized person of a computer network or computer resource, if he downloads, if he copies, if he downloads, if he copies, if he extracts any data, definitely they are liable to pay compensation. That's all. Of course, no punishment is there. Right. Now, here another point you have to remember regarding the jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is universal according to section 75 of the Information Technology Act, because it relates to intellectual property. Information Technology Act. The offense can be committed anywhere. People in America, they can commit the offense. People in Andhra, they can commit the offense. They can also download and forward it to all the subscribers. So if at all anybody happens to see this video in North India, please alert the Dainik Jagaran people about the Eenadu newspaper, Eenadu e-newspaper, Telugu daily, and they have filed a case in Tirupati. Tirupati means where Lord Balaji stays, the famous temple is there. So the name of the police station is Alipiri. So if they want, you please give my number, I can tell them also about this case, because these things are happening nowadays, and of course, as the Dainik Jagaran management said, definitely it is causing financial loss as well as copyright imprisonment, and this is the result of digital piracy. So with an amount of 50 rupees, no doubt we may be happy that we can look into 4 or 3 newspapers daily. But what happens to the newspaper owners? Normally they collect 100 rupees per customer, per subscriber. Now when it is reduced to 50, that 50 also not going to the paper person. This is going to our so-called imposters or cheaters or the accused who have done this offense. So this is a good case. Anyway, so copyright infringement or digital piracy, this is a good case. Please remember section 43B of the Information Technology Act and section 63 of the Copyright Act. Thank you.